Today I'm going to talk about the main games that can value as much as Axie Infinity. Have you ever thought about playing and winning cryptocurrencies at the same time? These games have as their main feature being able to give rewards and even cryptocurrencies to their participants. Some are built on the blockchain. The Axie Infinity game has had a big appreciation in recent months, reaching numbers like 17,000% growth since April 1st. Many are looking for games like Axie that can also add value to their investments. Today we are going to talk about the games that are promising to bring as many gains as Axie. The interesting thing is that most of these games are very recent, with a good probability of going up in value, becoming assets to invest. The first game on our list is Illuvium. The token is the ILV. It ranks number 254 on CoinMarketCap.com with a market cap of $158,149,011 and current token price of $249.91. Illuvium is an RPG adventure game set on the destroyed planet Earth, and invites players to explore a world of wonders. Note the very beautiful graphics and very interesting scenes to be explored. My Defi Pet. My Defi Pet's token is DPET. It ranks number 451 on CoinMarketCap.com with a market cap of $47,938,439 and a current token price of $7.05. My Defi Pet is a pet game, which combines DeFi, collectible items. It is a game that can be operated on the Binance Smart Chain and Cardia Chain, among others. The DPET token is the in-game currency used for trading animals and acquiring special qualities for pets. Gods Unchained. Gods Unchained has evolved a lot. In 2019, players spent around $87 billion on in-game items. The token used in the game is $Gods, which can be used to buy packages and create NFTs, as well as voting power to influence the fate of the game. It has very nice graphics too. Fairyland. The Fairyland game token is FARA, which is ranked number 608 on CoinMarketCap.com with a market cap of $24,517,521 and current token price of $3.50. Fairyland is an NFT game RPG and is considered the biggest blockchain war game. In the game there is the possibility to use digital collectible items created with blockchain technology. Mist. The Mist game token is Mist. It ranks number 874 on CoinMarketCap.com with a market cap of $9,516,334.71 and a current value of $0.1734. Mist is also a blockchain-based NFT role-playing game, with epic monster fights and beautiful graphics. The player can use the Mist currency to farm and wager tokens to earn rewards. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and give a thumbs up. And you will be informed about the news in cryptocurrency and investments.